In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country in Steam. Before we jump into the process, it's important to understand how Steam handles store regions. Steam automatically sets your store country based on your current location and the payment method connected to your purchases. That means changing your country isn't just a simple profile setting. Steam uses this information to match your account to the correct regional store, pricing, and purchase options. To begin, open the Steam app on your computer and sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the correct account, since the store country setting is tied directly to that account's purchase history and regional information. Once you're signed in, go to the top right corner of the Steam window and click your username. This opens the account menu. From there, select Account Details. This section gives you access to the settings related to your Steam account, including store and payment information. After you're in Account Details, look for the Store and Purchase History section. In that area, click Update Store Country. This is the option Steam provides when you need to change the country associated with your store. Next, choose your new country from the available list. Be sure to select the country where you are currently living. This part matters because Steam expects your selected country to match your real physical location. In other words, this setting is intended for actual moves or travel-related updates, not for browsing another region's store just to get different prices. There are also a few important things you should keep in mind. First, you can only change your Steam country when you are physically located in that country. Second, Steam may require a local payment method from the new region in order to confirm the change. So if the option doesn't work right away, that's often the reason. Also, remember that Steam limits how often you can switch your country, so this is not something you will want to change casually. And finally, avoid using a VPN to try to force a region change. Doing that can violate Steam's rules and may lead to restrictions on your account. So, to recap, open Steam, sign in, click your username, go to Account Details, select Update Store Country, and choose the country where you currently live. If Steam accepts your location and payment method, your store region should update successfully. And that's how to change country in Steam.